Hola and welcome back to my channel. And today's gonna be a review day, so I haven't done one in a while. Sorry. Anyway, it's been catching my eye every time I go to the store, and I think it was about time I reviewed this because I love their concealer, and I don't know if I'm gonna love their foundation, kind of with the concealer. You know what I mean? From my newcomers, welcome. Glad to have you. Stay for a little bit because this channel gets interesting sometimes. For all my loyal subscribers out there, thanks for tuning in, and let's get started in this review. Let's get started. So what we're reviewing today is the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Treatment Makeup, whatever. Apparently it's supposed to cure cancer. Apparently it does say, I was reading it, it says that it can decrease the risk of skin cancer, which is kind of cool. It's kind of like putting SPF. I want to say this is going to be a lot of coverage, considering the concealer is a lot of coverage. Sorry, my ears are going to pop up because I need my hair back from my face. And I want to put it, so I'm going to be looking like a freaking Dumbo throughout the whole video, so don't judge. I'm going to start by priming. I was going to use the Water Boost to moisturize my face, but I think I'm going to skip that today. I'm using my Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Primer. And guys, this stuff lasts me a long time, and you don't really use a lot. I tend to use a lot, and I'm almost done with it. Like, look, I'm almost done. And it's lasted me a while, because I really don't use it, like, every day. Sorry, my kids are here today, so it's going to be kind of loud today, so just forewarning you right there. I'm going to open her up. I haven't opened her. I hope I got the right shade, because you know with me and shades. It does have a sponge applicator. That's why I was like, what? A sponge? Sponge? Okay, do you twist it like the Maybelline? I have no idea. Oh, wait. There's another sticker, y'all. There's another sticker. That's twisting. There's some coming out. So. I think I got, oh, it's a little dark. I think it's a little bit dark. But then I can lighten up with the concealer. But it's a tiny bit dark. Just a tiny bit. I mean, you guys can't really tell on the camera. But, like, up close, like, it's a little bit dark for me. So, hoping I can get this covered up good. I forgot to wet my sponge, so. Okay, so I got my sponge all wet. It is pretty light coverage. I thought this was going to be very heavy and dramatic coverage, but this is pretty light for it being the Age Rewind foundation. I'm kind of shook it. Just a tiny bit. But I mean, the only thing it really covered was my red spots on my face. It covered my sunspots also. I don't know. I can't explain it. Like, it's very thin. It thinned it out, which is weird. Usually, for the Age Rewind, it's pretty thick in my mind. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick foundation. Not foundation, concealer. I'm gonna put this, another layer on my face. Okay, so, feeling my face, because I'm actually kind of starting to itch on, put it right here, where my freckles are. I'm actually starting to itch a lot. That is not a good sign. Oh my god, like the more I'm blending this out, Okay, I'm gonna try it with a brush. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my It Cosmetics brush. I feel like the foundation is like fading away. Like, it's so light. Like, this would have been perfect for my everyday foundation routine. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it right here. Guys, this is like a light AF. I mean, it blended out perfectly, but I feel like it's not buildable at all. Like, if you guys can clearly see my freckles and everything else, like, this is not full coverage at all. Which I don't hate, but you know, I like my coverage. We are going to use the Age Rewind Concealer today. So, kind of balances out this makeup, by the way, because it is pretty dark for me. The cool thing what I like about this concealer, it is, like, guys, it's like, it is a little bit messy, I can admit. Like, over time it gets, like, messy AF. But it blends like butter. So this did blend out pretty nicely. I just want to add a little bit more concealer under the eyes. Okay. I think it looks perfect. Alright, so next is powder. And I am going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This is a really, really good powder. You guys don't know because it's like a cult favorite. Just want to set it a little bit. I'm not baking today. Just going to set a lot. I am going to bake here, but that's about it. Alright, so now I'm going to do bronzing, and then we are done with the face. Now do the eyes off camera. So let me just get some of this Oakland contouring palette. Okay, so we are done with that. Let me do the eyes off camera. We are going to get into the conclusion of this Age Rewind foundation. Alright guys, so yes, I did get a wardrobe change. I actually forgot that I was filming, and this is like the next day, basically. Alright, so my thoughts on the Instant Age Rewind foundation. I think it's a little bit of a hit or miss, because right now it looks really, really nice on my skin, like wearing it technically the second day, because this is the second day of me wearing it. And I can tell you guys that it looks really nice. I mean, it's not full coverage like the way I want it to be. I feel like this is like an extra coverage you can put on under or even with your foundation you're regularly using. Maybe I can mix it in with the Hourglass, you know, because you don't get a lot in here either. You get how many ounces? You only get 0.68 fluid ounces in here, so that's not a lot. And this does say it is like a treatment makeup. And it does have SPF 18 in it. It's not a lot of SPF, but I guess it will do. If you guys like this review, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I do upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.